I'm Mike Pine and this is Leslie Kalina. Leslie is our senior manager in accounting and she's in charge of our outsourced accounting department and heads up the quality control process in our outsourced accounting. In our outsourced accounting services that we do provide, we run a whole gamut of the actual different services that we do provide. Could you speak to those?
We do everything from paying bills and bank reconciliations, entering all of the transactions, all the way to just reviewing what the client does and just giving them ideas of changes that need to be made. We educate them along the way, but we're also their final set of eyes to make sure that they have a good set of books. So we can do anything from one end to the other.
So we scale our services based on what our clients actually need. If our clients are happy doing their own accounting, but maybe they don't know how, we can train them. We train them how to use QuickBooks or Xero or QuickBooks Online. And that's kind of a lot of our clients where they want to do the accounting, they want to have their hands on their books, and we think that's great. The more you're involved with the finances of your business, the more likely you're going to succeed, in our opinion. Sometimes our clients don't know what QuickBooks does or how to use it. And we can train them from people who've never seen QuickBooks before to people who've used it for years and actually show them how to improve how they use QuickBooks and improve their efficiencies. So in a lot of cases, our clients do prepare their own books and you or your teams review them on a monthly basis or quarterly basis, depending how much they need it or how often they need it.
Correct.
And we scale those services based on our clients' needs, but also as our clients grow. So some of our startup companies, they don't need full outsourced accounting, and they shouldn't pay for outsourced accounting because they need to get their business started. But as they grow, as the volume of their transactions grow, we scale up our services, and we might start with a quarterly review and eventually a monthly review. Then eventually the clients get too big where they really need to focus on selling their business and providing their services to their customers. And we free them up to do that while we take over the entire accounting department. Leslie, I want to share with people who might be considering hiring Pine & Company our quality control process that we have for our accounting, our outsourced accounting department. I think that sets us apart from most of our competitors around here. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Every accountant here has a portfolio of clients that are theirs to be responsible for, and they do everything related to the clients. However, a second set of eyes always gets to look at them. So the manager is always going to review their work every month, and it really helps make sure that we're giving our clients the best possible service that they can get from us.
Yeah, I don't care how good of a CPA you are or an accountant you are, which we have some incredible accountants and CPAs here. We're all human. We're all going to make mistakes. Without having at least a second set of eyes to look at all of our work before it goes out the door to our clients, we can't ensure that we do have a high quality. There are going to be human errors that are made. So at Pine & Company, with all of our deliverables, at minimum we have a second set of eyes that looks at them before they go out the door. And depending on its complexity, it could be 3 sets of eyes. And even with some of our more complex projects that we work on, it's 4 sets of eyes. And I feel firmly that our quality control sets us apart from our competition, and the quality of the product you get from us is levels above what you can get around here.